Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the members on a specific card in Trello. So once you're inside Trello here, guys, on your board, if you find any specific card that you want to literally change the members, let's say I want to start with item 3, I can easily right click on that card and you will have the option to change members. So if you click on that, you can basically add or remove members from here. So I can remove this member by clicking the X and basically it will remove that specific member, right? So let's say that's what you do. Now, another way how you can do that is if you open up the card itself, you can choose members as well and you can add members. So I can do that by adding a member, or I can search for specific members here and I can basically manage those members here from the card. So if you're looking for how to change members on a specific cards, guys, that's how you basically do it, right? You can always go ahead and do that as well. On the upper part of the card, you will see once you add a first member to it, you'll have the plus. You can click on that again and you can also add and remove members. So there are a few ways to go about doing this, guys. It's really up to you how you choose it. Another way is that if you're currently working on any specific card that does not have a member, let's say I take this one as an example. As you can see, there's no other member. If I'm commenting something on a specific card, I can simply type the word at and it's going to find those members who I have given access or invite to that specific board, right? So if you invite a person to a specific board and a workspace, you can basically start to add them and search for them, and they'll be able to, it will detect that those persons are a part. Even if you don't invite them to that specific card, you can even add them by simply adding them into a specific comment, and that will automatically, let's say, add them to that card. So let's say you, as you can see here, it's only me. I can add this person and I can say hello, hi, for example, and I click on save. You will see here that it immediately adds that member, and if I click on that, you can see that it now adds the two members there. If I close out of this, you will see as well that it's added two members to it as well. So you can see here that those members are added, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.